Push-ups are one of the most effective bodyweight exercises, but did you know there are 20 different variations, each offering a unique challenge? Whether you're a beginner looking to build strength or a seasoned athlete pushing your limits, this list of 20 push-up variations ranked from easiest to hardest will test your endurance, power, and control like never before. The further down the list you go, the tougher it gets, so keep reading to see if you can handle the hardest push-ups on the planet. Fire. Level 1, Beginner Push UPS, perfect for learning the basics. These push-ups are great for building proper form, strength, and confidence before moving on to more advanced variations. 1. Wall push-up green circle, easiest. If you're just starting out, wall push-ups are a great way to develop upper body strength without straining your muscles. Stand facing a wall, place your hands on it, and perform a push-up by leaning in and out. 2. Incline push-up green circle. This version is easier because it reduces weight on your arms. Place your hands on a bench, couch, or countertop, and push up and down while keeping your body straight. 3. Knee push-up green circle. A great stepping stone to regular push-ups. Keeping your knees on the floor takes some pressure off your upper body, making it easier to build strength. 4. Standard push-up green circle. The classic push-up. Hands shoulder width apart, back straight, and core engaged, this is where the real fun begins. If you can do 20 clean reps, you're ready for more challenges. Level 2, Intermediate Push UPS, building strength and endurance. Once you've mastered regular push-ups, these variations add extra intensity, muscle activation, and endurance. 5. Wide grip push-up yellow circle. By placing your hands wider than shoulder width, this variation shifts focus to the chest muscles, making it tougher than standard push-ups. 6. Close grip, diamond, push-up yellow circle. Hands placed close together, forming a diamond shape, put extra stress on the triceps, giving your arms an insane pump. 7. Pike push-up yellow circle. This variation mimics a shoulder press, shifting more weight onto your upper body. If you want to build shoulder strength, this is a must. 8. Slow tempo push-up yellow circle. Slowing down your push-ups, 3 to 4 seconds down, 3 to 4 seconds up, increases muscle time under tension, making them way harder than standard push-ups. 9. Spider-Man push-up yellow circle. As you lower yourself, bring one knee toward your elbow like Spider-Man climbing a wall. This challenges your core and mobility. 10. Explosive push-up yellow circle. Add speed and power to your push-ups by pushing yourself off the ground explosively. This increases fast twitch muscle activation, improving athletic performance. Level 3, Advanced Push UPS, strength and control required. Now we're entering the serious strength territory. These push-ups require strong muscles, endurance, and serious control. 11. Decline push-up red circle. By elevating your feet on a bench or step, you shift more weight onto your upper body, making your chest and shoulders work harder. 12. Clap push-up red circle. The ultimate test of upper body explosiveness. Push up so powerfully that your hands leave the ground and clap before landing. 13. Archer push-up red circle. By extending one arm to the side while the other does most of the work, you mimic a one-arm push-up, making it significantly harder. 14. One-leg push-up red circle. Lifting one leg off the ground removes stability, forcing your core to work overtime while still pressing up with power. 15. X push-up red circle. A challenging combination of wide grip and explosive push-ups, where you spread your arms and legs wide at the bottom of the push-up. This one is a killer for shoulders, core, and coordination. Level 4, Extreme Push UPS, only for the elite. These push-ups are borderline impossible unless you have serious upper body and core strength. 16. Superman push-up fire. Launch yourself into the air and extend your arms forward like Superman flying, requires massive explosive power. 17. Typewriter push-up fire. This move combines strength, mobility, and endurance. Lower yourself like an archer push-up, then move side to side before pressing back up. 18. Planche push-up fire. The ultimate gymnast-style push-up, where your entire body is suspended in the air, no feet touching the ground. Requires insane core, shoulder, and wrist strength. 19. One-arm push-up fire. Can you support your entire body weight on just one arm? This is one of the hardest push-ups ever. Master this, and you're a true beast. 20. 90-degree push-up. Fire, hardest. A mix of a handstand push-up and a planche push-up. Lower yourself down, hover horizontally, then push back up. Only a few elite athletes can even attempt this. Final thoughts, can you master them all? Push-ups aren't just about going up and down, they're about mastering control, endurance, and raw strength. If you've been stuck at basic push-ups, use this list as your ultimate roadmap to leveling up. Fire, how many of these can you do? Start from the top and work your way down, pushing yourself to the next level every day. Whether you're a beginner, athlete, or fitness freak, these push-ups will help you build crazy upper body strength and a rock-solid core. Speech balloon, drop a comment below. Which push-up is your favorite? Which one will you try next? Let's go! Rocket fire.